Hey, all right, here we go. So, whew, all right, here we are. So, we had to. I had to jump in here tonight. And I had to show y'all. I had to show everybody what I seen, what the opportunity that we have right now. That's the reason why I made this video. We have a absolute. When I tell y'all, we have a very, very, very good opportunity right now. Yes, got to give a hand. We got a great opportunity right now. All right. So in the stock market, that's what we're going to talk about today. In the stock market, there's so many things. The stock market has completely. Trump made a tweet. All you have to do is just go look. Trump made a tweet Friday about the tariffs that caused the stock market to absolutely pull back, which is what everybody's been waiting on. Okay. So that's what we're going to talk about today is when the stock market pulls back on everything, every stock, any company that you can pretty much imagine has absolutely pulled back. And when companies pull back, boom, that's where you go in. That's where you go in. Okay. So this is what I teach. All right. Is when stock market, you love red candles, when stocks pull back, you go in and you have dry powder and you have money sitting on the side waiting for this. All right. So let's go. You ready? Let's go. Let's get into the charts and let's learn this. All right. Let's go. Okay, so let's get into the charts. All right, let me pull up the chart. Let's jump right in here. All right, so this is what I was looking at. All right, so this is Amazon. Let me put this down here so we can't send. All right, so let me scroll out right here. This is Amazon right here. Okay, this is gonna be the daily chart. Okay, so this is gonna be the daily chart. So let me show you something. So look, if you can look, let me blow this up a little bit. If you can look at this trend right here. Okay. So see these dotted marks right here? This is from all the way from the beginning of the year. So from the beginning of the year until now. So look at Amazon. Amazon is what we're going to talk about. Okay. So that's what I meant to tell you. Amazon is absolutely at a place right now where it is perfect to put some money to work. Okay. I'm not telling you what to buy. I'm not telling you what to do. And I know that seems like that, but I'm telling you what it's the perfect time to buy. This is what I'm looking at. I'm fixing to put my money into it, but I'm just trying to tell y'all. Look at this right here. If I blow this up right here, this is going to be the daily chart. Okay. Look at this trend. Look at this trend that it's been in. It's been in this trend since the beginning of the year. It's been in an uptrend. Okay. So these two red lines right here. Those are going to be your trend lines. Okay. And the very dotted line in the middle, that's going to be the line that I use in the middle because whenever you're in a trend, okay, whenever you're in any kind of a trend, an uptrend or a downtrend, and if it's at the top of the trend, like this right here, above the dotted line, then it's bullish, okay? Then it's really, really bullish. It's going up. But if it's at the bottom, of the trend line, if it's at the bottom of the trend right here, that means it's going to be kind of bearish, okay? So that means it's going to come down. If you can follow my cursor, if you can look right here on the trend line, at the bottom trend line, it always came down and respected that line right there. If you go over here, it also respected it here as well. It respected it, meaning that it bounced off of this line, which is about probably about $215, $14. Okay. So these lines right here, there's a kind of like a purple line and then there's a blue line. Okay. So the purple line is going to be your 200-day moving average. Okay. That's your 200-day moving average. Now you're kind of like a teal or light blue line. That's going to be your 50-day moving average. Okay. So whenever, let me get back out here. Sorry about that. I guess we're having, look at there. Sorry about that, fellas. We're having technical difficulty. Let me blow it back out. So whenever you get to the 50-day moving average, whenever this right here crosses up, whenever that crosses up above the purple line. I'm sorry about that. Whenever it crosses up, that's what we call the golden cross. Okay. When the 50-day average, 50-day moving average crosses back above the 200-day moving average, that's what we call the golden cross. Okay. That's going to be the golden cross. I want y'all to remember that. All right. That light blue line is going to be your 50-day moving average. That purple line is going to be your 200-day moving average. Okay, so like I said, when it crosses above that, that means she is most likely headed up. So if you can see, like I said, if you can see Amazon right here, and you can see that she pulled back to this trend line, well, then guess what? She's probably, and we're going to watch it. We're going to watch it. Not that we're going to make any moves, but we're going to watch it and see if it breaks this trend line right here. See if it breaks. If it breaks this trend line, then she's coming all the way down. She's coming down a long way. So that's why we're going to watch it. And the last thing right here, if you look right here in the volume, there's a there's a lot of selling that happened Friday. Okay. So basically we're going to watch it. Okay. We're going to watch it on this channel. And if you look at the RSI, I've talked about the RSI in my past, in some of my past videos. If you look at the RSI has support and resistance as well. So if you look at if I put the line right here, you can look where it had came down to right here, and it came down right about here, and it respected it on the RSI. Okay, so that's going to be about 30, I want to say about 35 on the RSI. It came down and it bounced off. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is we're looking for a bounce. We're looking for a bounce in Amazon. So I really, really, truly believe, I want you to take a look at it. All right. I want you to do your own due diligence. That's what the lesson was about today. I want you to do your own due diligence on Amazon. Okay. So today is the episode, the stock that we're talking about is going to be Amazon. Okay. That's one I want everybody to take a look at. That was what the episode about. So tomorrow or tonight, if you see this episode, or tomorrow morning, the market's not going to be open tomorrow, because I think tomorrow's Columbus Day or something like that. So that's one thing that I just kind of wanted to show y'all, that Amazon was going to be at the very, very, very bottom of the trend. It's been down for a long time, and that's when you want to buy. Okay, so that's when a stock has come all the way down. That's where you want to buy it, because it usually, in this case, we seen the trend line, we seen where it bounced, and we're fixing to probably go back up. Okay, so just watch it before we pull the trigger on anything. We're gonna watch it, and we're gonna see if she keeps coming down. If she, I think, what was that level I looked at? We're gonna see that if that's what the level, $216. We're gonna see if Amazon falls. If it falls and closes below $216, then we're gonna continue to watch it. 216, right at there at 216, 215. If it comes below that, then we're gonna watch it. It's probably gonna continue to fall for a minute, and as soon as it continues to fall, then we're gonna wait till we see volume. We're gonna wait till we see people coming back into it, and then boom, we're gonna get back into it. All right, so y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. That was a good one. All right. I think that was a good one. So look, just pay attention. This is a good wealth building strategy, is in the stock market. I mean, come on. This is a very, very good, very good strategy. Very good strategy. So just, man, like, subscribe. If this taught you something, if this helped you to kind of start looking at something, or if this helped you in any way, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, man. This is your boy, man, from Frac End to Financial Freedom. I've been doing it for a minute, and I love it. It's a lot better than the alternative, getting up every day. All my people in the oil field, y'all know what I'm talking about. This is a lot better. That's why we have to create a side hustle. You have to create something outside of your 9 to 5. Don't just go to your 9 to 5 and say, you know what? Well, I got a job. This is it. No. Create something. Use the job to maintain the bills. And then we're going to create something, your purpose. We're going to continue to chase your purpose outside of a job. continue to chase why you were put here. Man, real talk, man. Let's go, man. We got to get a man. Let's go. All right, man. Y'all, we'll be back. We're right at about 10 minutes. We did good. We'll be back. And Amazon, check out Amazon. Y'all check out Amazon and look at the charts. I want y'all to look at the daily chart, look at the weekly chart, look at the monthly chart, look at where it has came all the way down to. And we're going to put some money to work. You hear me? That's how you get rich. That's how you become wealthy. All right? Make your money work for you. You don't work for your money. I'm out. Let's go. From Frat Can to Financial Freedom, this is your boy Low Trey. Catch y'all next time.